So this week we are giving away a blue cook kit bag. Stay tuned to the end of the show to find out how to win.
Welcome to the Blue Ridge Bonfire, the official show of Blue Ridge Overland Gear. We are all about overcoming the obstacles to getting outside. I'm CT.
And I'm moving to Arizona, but we'll talk about that later.
And it's good to have you guys along. We've got the new stuff, we've got the events, a great question of the week, some BROG gear releases, and we are wrapping up with that weekly giveaway. So let's just jump into it. First off, last week we did a walk around of a Unimog. So if you missed that video, go back and check that out. That one was a lot of fun. And then next week we're releasing headrest Velcro panels in Coyote and Gray.
That's exciting.
Yeah, so for a while now, you people have wanted a way to match your headrest Velcro panel with a seat back panel. So now you can do that. You can do a full set in Coyote or a full set in Gray. So we got that coming your way. And then as far as events goes, the next Overland event that we know of is Bushcraft 2020, March 27th to 29th in Watkinsville, Georgia.
That's a fun one.
If there's any event that we are missing, if there's anything coming up, let us know in a comment below. We would love to add it to our events page and announce on the show so more people can enjoy it and have a great time. I think that wraps up events, and that takes us to the question of the week.
Oh, the question of the week.
What is the question of the week, Adam?
So the question of the week, what is the best Overland vehicle?
Oh!
And this is all strictly opinion. The truth is, there is no best Overland vehicle. Reason being is that everybody has different needs and different vehicle platforms support different needs. With that said, in my opinion, the best Overland vehicle is an Earth Cruiser, not to be confused with an Earth Roamer. Earth Cruisers are based on the Mitsubishi Fuso chassis. And I just think they're extremely well-built vehicles. They're pretty expensive, usually around 300,000-ish, give or take. But I think the layout is beautiful. I think it's great that just recently they put a LS V8, if I remember correctly, into that chassis, as well as a two-speed transfer case, so you have your high and your low, with an American LS V8 for reliability. I think it's a really great platform.
Yeah, no, those look awesome. A little bit smaller than most of the Earth Roamers. I think you said that they can be packed in a shipping container?
They can. The Earth Cruisers can be shipped in a shipping container overseas, so you can really ship the vehicle all over the world and drive the world if you wanted to.
What I would have my eye on would be a four-wheel drive diesel Sprinter van.
Yep,
so
that's a great choice.
Either from, like, our friends at Freedom Van Go or a Winnebago or even a custom build. But for me, it's like it has plenty of comfort and amenities and it has just enough off-road capability for me. So I'm not like a crazy off-roader. So bad trails are not what I seek out, and that's not what I'm looking forward to, but it's the locations and the view and the people and just the experiences and that kind of thing. And so, like, you know, it's a vehicle that you can drive on the highway, park in your driveway, has just enough space. So I think it's great.
And it's a Mercedes. It's luxurious.
It is that.
I mean, it's true. I like Sprinters. I think they're great vehicles too. So, I mean, like we said, there's a lot of great platforms out there, whether it's Jeep, Toyota, Mercedes. Unimogs are pretty awesome too if you could make that work for your adventure setup.
Yeah, I think a lot of them come down to what's the best thing that fits my needs in my price range,
right.
too. Both of what we said are probably like shoot the moon,
sure,
like dream rigs.
And we've talked about off-road trailers before and how that can really make it easier on a family if you have a base camp where you can unhitch, go out and explore in the vehicle and come back to a base camp. I do understand those setups work very well for people as well. So really there is no wrong Overland setup. As long as it gets you out there, you're having a great time adventuring, that's really what matters. It could be in a Honda Civic. It doesn't matter. Just get out there, enjoy the outdoors responsibly.
So more on favorite Overland vehicles later. So now I have some sad news.
Oh.
Adam is moving to Arizona, guys.
I am moving to Arizona kind of towards the end of February. I have a new job out there. It's something I'm really excited about, and I will still be in the Overland community. So y'all can still kind of find me on social media if you like, Overland History on Instagram or Facebook. I, again, will still be involved. I'll still be at all the expos as well as a multitude of other events, and I'm really excited about going out to Arizona. There's a lot of adventure to be had out there.
Yeah, so we are saying goodbye to Adam and wishing him well on the next page or the next chapter of his journey. This is his last show.
Well, one quick thing I did want to do is thank everybody, not only here at BROG, but all of our great customers. Y'all have been so great and so loyal and so kind over the years. I've been here 2.5 years now, and I've always felt like, family, being here at BROG and, having some great customers as well. So thank you all very much. I will see you all again very soon.
Fantastic. We are thinking about replacing Adam with just a squirrel puppet. So I'll just be holding them like this.
I actually think that works. Are you going to name him Adam? That's the most important thing.
I will neither confirm nor deny. I cannot make any promises.
I understand. It's in my memory regardless. So.
Wrapping up the sad news, my sister Allison, who you know in a bunch of the build videos, she is also going away for a while. She may come back in the future.
Going away? You made it sound like she's going to jail. Allison is pregnant. She's having a baby, so she's taking some
maternity leave.
Right, maternity leave. She's not going to jail, so good job on that.
Golly day. So we've got a few more build videos with her that we already shot, and those will be coming out before too long. But yeah.
Excellent.
Yep. Okay. So that wraps up the question of the week, and that brings us to the BROG gear releases.
Ooh,
this is all the stuff that we've been up to.
Yes.
I'll run through this one really quick. The BROG winter patches, winter season patches. You get these for free on any order over $150 right now and all winter long. You can also find them on our website.
Yep, they're also available on the website. I think they're $4 or $5.
$4.
Something like it. $4.
Yep.
You can buy them on the website individually as well.
And then 1-burner partner steel stove bags. Those are going until February 12th, so you got about a week left, something like that. A little less than a week when this goes live.
That's the single burner partner steel bags that we are making. You have until the 12th to order those, and after that, they will never occur again.
They are never being made
again.
And
I can imagine we'll probably get a couple emails. Do you still have any? Unfortunately, the answer will be no.
The window is closing.
The window is closing, so please order before the 12th or on the 12th or by the 12th.
Next, we've got new Dometic fridges up on the website. These are the new CFX3 line of fridges. They're a little bit different. They have a little bit better compressor and just a little bit updated design and stuff in a few different places.
Yep.
But we're going to get those a little bit ahead of all the other vendors. So ours will be shipping in about a week, like mid-February. A lot of other vendors won't get them until sometime in March. But check those out in the link below and get your hands on the brand new fridges.
Get you a fresh fridge!
Bruh! And then starting this Thursday, the Snatch Strap Recovery Kit, which I'll throw up a picture of that here. That's a snatch strap with the bag that you can attach it to your bumper with, and 2 of those soft shackles.
You made it sound like you're going to throw up the bag. Like you ate it and then... Am I wrong? Keep going. I like that.
All right,
I like what you said.
Great. And what's cool about that bag is it's all the strap pulls right out of the bag, and so it's like quick, easy deploy. But those kits, we're gonna do double points on those for a while. So starting this Thursday, if you buy one, you'll earn double BROG points that you can use on a future order.
And we promise there won't be any throw up on the bag from CT.
Why do you make these promises, man?
Sorry. Hey, you said it, not me.
Alrighty. So that wraps up the BROG gear releases, and that takes us to...
the weekly giveaway! This is my final giveaway. I'm super excited. We are giving away...
Wait, before you do that, I just want to say, our winner from 2 weeks ago, that was 3 Little Pitties on Instagram. We said, hey, if you've got pictures of the 3 Little Pitties, please do. So now brace yourselves. It's a good thing that we're both sitting down.
Brace yourself for the adorable doggies.
There is a lot of cuteness about to occur, and here they are.
We love pits.
Aww.
They're such sweet dogs.
Aww.
They get a bad rap because of all the dog fighting stuff, but they truly are great dogs. So the winner from last week's giveaway on the blue Air Tools bag is going to be at D_LE0204. Congratulations, you have got yourself a blue Air Tools bag. We will send you a DM on Instagram to confirm your address, and we'll get that shipped right out to you. Congratulations.
All right. So, what are we giving away this week, Adam?
This week we are giving away. I'm excited about this because we only made a short run of these bags. This is the This is the Cook Kit bag in blue. I think we only made maybe 10 or 12 of these for OK four-wheel drive, and they have since gone through them. This is the very last one left that we had essentially hiding in stock in the store. But essentially, you've got Velcro moly loops on the front, 2 pouches on the inside for spices, condiments, etc. And then up here, you've got little pockets for knives, silverware, utensils, all that kind of stuff. And the bag is actually made to hang on the handle of your refrigerator. You've got 2 straps with snaps right here on the back. Hangs on the handle of your fridge, so all of your cooking utensils are nice and handy. And we're giving it away this week.
Oh, bonus, you also get a BROG winter patch with
BROG
it.
winter patch.
Yep.
Gotta have that.
That is included. So, Adam, how do people win this fine blue Cook Kit bag?
So, what we want y'all to do is name your favorite Overland vehicle in the comments and tag 3 friends. 1, 2, 3. Tag 3 friends. Doesn't matter what the vehicle is. It could be a Honda Accord if that's your favorite Overland vehicle. That's fine.
I hope for one of you that it is.
Every vehicle is an adventure vehicle, let's be honest.
Yes.
So, drop that down there in the comments, and you will be entered to win the blue Cook Kit bag that we are giving away next week.
Absolutely, and we will pick a winner from either Facebook or Instagram. We can only do those platforms because that's where we can direct message back and forth. If you guys love the show but don't have time to watch the video, you can check this out in podcast form wherever fine podcasts are found. As always, please leave us a comment down below. We would love to hear from you. We'll see you next time.
Y'all take care. You stay classy, Overlanders. And I love you all!
Goodbye, Adam.
Bye, dude.
It's been good.
I do love you. I will miss you. I might miss you. I don't know. But I am taking my campfire with me.
Don't take away our campfire.
This is coming with me to
No,
Arizona.
this is part of the show now. Come back.